welcome to Miss Vida English Online. Hari ini kita akan membahas salah satu video tentang how to describe people's personality and character. Hari ini kita akan membahas how to describe people's character and personalities. Bagaimana menggambarkan tentang karakter dan personality dari orang-orang dalam berbahasa Inggris. Okay, let's watch the video until the end. Thank you. Oke, yang pertama, untuk menggambarkan orang-orang yang nice and friendly to other people atau orang-orang yang baik dan ramah terhadap orang lain, kita bisa memakai kata-kata seperti warm, kind, pleasant, friendly, and good-natured. Sebaliknya, untuk orang-orang yang punya karakter kurang ramah atau tidak begitu baik terhadap orang lain, we can say the words with cold, unkind, unpleasant, horrible, and unfriendly person. So, ini adalah kata sifat atau adjektif dari adjektif atau kata sifat yang bisa dipakai untuk menggambarkan orang-orang yang ramah atau baik terhadap orang lain. Next, how to describe people who love communicating with others, atau orang-orang yang senang berkomunikasi dengan orang lain, atau orang-orang yang senang berbicara, share the idea, menyampaikan ide-idenya, menyampaikan opininya, dan berbicara dengan orang lain. So, these people you can say extrovert, sociable, outgoing, talkative, and communicative. Sebaliknya, orang-orang yang tidak terlalu suka berkomunikasi dengan orang lain, you can say that he is or she is introvert, quiet, shy, reserved, atau taciturn. And how to describe people that relaxed in attitude and manner, atau orang-orang yang secara attitude-nya, secara dia suka santai dengan perihal-perihal yang dia lakukan. You can say that he is positive, he is optimistic, cheerful, or easygoing. Jadi orang-orang yang happy, yang senang ya dalam pembawaan attitude atau mannernya. Sebaliknya, orang-orang yang mannernya agak-agak tidak senang, we can say negative, pessimistic, gloomy, or miserable. Jadi orang-orang yang attitude-nya bawaannya itu tidak senang atau tidak happy. Can say. So, how to describe people that think about others' feeling. Jadi orang-orang yang senang berpikir tentang perasaan orang lain. So, this is orang-orang yang care with others. You can say that he is or she is sensitive, tactful, thoughtful, delicate, or he is a caring person. Orang-orang yang senang memikirkan perasaan orang lain. Sebaliknya, orang-orang yang tidak terlalu memikirkan perasaan orang lain bisa kita katakan dengan insensitive, tactless, heartless, cruel, or cold-hearted. So, besides that adjective, you can use also this kind of adjective to describe about others' personality or even your personality. We have here humble, rendah diri, that we have that we have discussed previously. Ask yourself about how often you feel like this, or how often you do or you feel that you are shy, you are angry, you are confused, you are frustrated, you are cheerful, and after that you can know your own personality. For example, you ask yourself about how often, or you can say I'm always, for example, I'm always happy, I'm always cheerful, or kebalikannya, I'm always angry, I'm always sad, I'm always frustrated. So ask yourself about how often you feel like this, and then you can know about your personality. So how to say it in English? to know how to say your personality in English, let's study the next video. Okay, let's watch the video until the end. Thank you.
You can rarely see me being moody or grumpy. Talking about negative traits of my character, for sure I can be idle sometimes, especially at the weekends. I enjoy staying at home, watching something, and being a couch potato. But apart from being lazy, I behave often like a daredevil who takes risks. Not that I'm self-assured, but I'm comfy in my own skin. And the only moments when I'm not confident and act like a coward is when I have to go to the dentist. Then it can be a real wet blanket.
And I guess they enjoy speaking to such a, I guess you could say, gregarious and sociable teacher like myself. I can't say that I'm self-centered. You can ask them this question, but usually I'm generous. Sometimes I can be quite selfish, I guess, when it comes to prioritizing the task and keeping them focused. And talking about the job, I feel I'm very responsible, definitely determined, hardworking. I love the students, and I rarely take any days off.
It just wouldn't be right to keep it. So I hate dishonest people. I mean, in my view, I'm considerate, caring. I always have other people in mind whenever I make any decisions. I'm reliable. Like, you can count on me anytime. Sometimes I'm shy when I speak to people or strangers, but I'm trying to be more decisive and obstinate.